Okay, I'm just looking at the photos Max sent us, and wow.
Right? That street is full.
Yeah, so for anyone who doesn't know, Max is at Portobello Road Market today.
In London. West London, actually.
Exactly. It's one of the most famous street markets in the city.
Ah, it's that long road with colorful houses, right? And people selling everything?
Everything. Antiques, clothes, old vinyl records, handmade jewelry, food. If you can imagine it, someone is probably selling it there.
And most people aren't just walking, they're leaving with bags.
Exactly, which makes it perfect for today. Because when someone is holding a bag, there's a story inside it.
Yes, something they bought for someone or for themselves. And usually they bought it to do something, to celebrate, to surprise, to fix, to cook, to apologize.
Whew, that's it. So, today, Max has a very simple mission. Do you know what his mission is, Becky?
I do. Very simple for us, not simple for him.
That's true. He's going to stop people who just bought something, and he's going to guess what it is for, who it is for, and
why they bought it, which sounds easy, right? Until you try it.
Exactly.
All right, let's see how brave Max is feeling right now.
Poor Max.
Well, he said he was ready.
We'll find out.
Oh, hi there. Sorry to stop you. I promise this will be quick.
Okay.
I can see you bought something small, and it has beautiful gift wrap. Very elegant, I must say.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Let me guess. That's for someone very important, right?
Yes, actually it is.
Phew. Good start. Okay. For your husband?
No, for my sister.
Ah, all right. Is it for her birthday?
Well, no, not exactly. It's for her new job. She's very excited about it, and I wanted to buy something special.
Oh, so you bought it to celebrate.
Perfect. I came here to find something small but meaningful.
Okay. Let me try again. Some makeup? Is it some makeup then?
No, not really. It's a notebook. She loves writing, so it's for her ideas.
Oh, that is much better than my guess.
Yes, I just hope she likes it.
Nice try, Max. Nice try. You'll improve.
Oh, come on. That was his first attempt.
All right. I'll be kind this time. But I like how he started with someone important. That's safe territory.
It is. It sounds romantic without saying romantic.
Exactly. But the reason surprised me, it wasn't for love in the traditional way. It was for support.
Well, support is love too, Josh.
That's fair.
And that changes the tone completely. A birthday gift feels expected. A new job gift feels intentional.
Yes, she didn't just buy something for her sister. She bought it to encourage her.
For her sister tells us the person. To celebrate tells us the reason. Both matter.
They do. One answers who, the other answers why.
And I loved for her ideas. Did you hear that? That felt personal.
It did, yeah. It's not just paper, it's for something she believes her sister will create.
See, already more emotional than Max expected.
That's true, Becky. And, speaking of emotional, I need to buy something for my sister.
Oh, what happened?
Her birthday was, how could I say this? It was yesterday.
Josh.
I know. I remembered this morning. Very dramatic timing.
What are you gonna do?
I'll buy something after work. And I'll say it's to celebrate her new year of life.
Well, nice recovery.
Thank you. I work well under pressure. Fine. You know what I'm noticing?
What?
Max always hopes for something emotional.
Yes, romance, birthdays, celebrations. He wants drama.
Exactly.
Let's see if he finds it again.
Or maybe something completely practical this time.
Ooh, that would surprise him.
Poor Max. Let's listen.
Oh, excuse me. Hi, sorry. Quick question. I promise I'm not selling anything.
That's good. All right, go on.
I see you have, 2 paper bags. One looks heavy. That feels serious.
Serious? I don't know about that.
Okay, let me try. That's for someone special.
No, not really.
Not really? Oh, okay. Is it for your partner?
Nope.
For a friend?
No.
All right, wait. For your parents?
No. You're going very emotional very fast.
I know. I keep hoping for romance.
Yeah, I can tell.
So, who is it for?
It's for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Plot twist.
Not very dramatic, I'm afraid.
No problem. So, what did you buy?
Kitchen knives.
Oh, kitchen knives?
Yeah, proper ones. The kind that actually cut things.
All right, now I'm curious. Why?
Because I just moved into a new flat, and I've been using terrible knives for months. Like, really terrible.
How terrible are we talking?
Well, the kind that bend when you cut a tomato.
Oh no, that's terrible indeed.
It is. So today I came here to finally fix that. I wanted something good, something that lasts.
So, you bought them for cooking?
Yeah, for cooking properly, for not fighting with vegetables every evening.
That sounds personal.
It kind of is. I cook a lot now. After work, it helps we slow down.
Ah, so this isn't just about knives.
Actually, no. It's for better dinners, for less stress, for enjoying my kitchen.
Okay, that's deeper than I expected.
That is sometimes necessary.
So, no birthday, no anniversary, no secret surprise. Nope.
Just me trying to eat better.
Honestly, I respect that. Thanks.
Sometimes the gift is just for you,
Yeah. Did you hear that, Josh and Becky? I'm learning a lot today.
Okay, Max, we heard that. A lot of learning today. Also here because I did not expect knives.
Me neither. I was waiting for something dramatic this time, like a surprise proposal or something.
Max was clearly hoping for that too.
He really was. You could hear it in his guesses.
Yeah, he kept aiming for romance. And the man just calmly said, "It's for me."
That part made me smile because it's so simple and also kind of powerful.
Powerful, yeah? Why powerful, Becky?
Because he didn't buy something to impress anyone, He bought it to improve his own life.
Oh, that's true. He bought the knives for cooking, but really, he bought them for slowing down.
Exactly. And when he says it's for better dinners and less stress, that changes the object.
Yeah, it's not just metal anymore.
No. It's routine. It's evening time. It's quiet after work.
Yeah, I relate to that more than I expected.
You do?
Yeah. Sometimes I buy something small just to make one part of my day easier.
Really? Like what?
A better desk lamp for my eyes to stop getting headaches at night.
Oh, that's very adult of you.
I know, it surprised me too.
But that's exactly the same logic. You didn't buy it for decoration. You bought it to feel better.
Right, and that's the difference between for someone and for something.
Say that again.
Okay, for someone tells us who receives it. For something tells us what part of life it supports.
Oh, I like that. Because in his case, the knives are for him, but also for the kind of evenings he wants.
Yes, and that's very intentional.
That word is good, intentional.
He didn't just walk around and buy random things. He came there to fix a problem.
Yeah, problems. To stop fighting tomatoes.
Yes. Very important mission, Becky. Very important.
You know what I liked most?
What?
That he didn't feel guilty. He didn't say, oh, it's nothing special.
That's true. He owned it.
That's true. Sometimes we buy things for ourselves and we feel like we need to justify it.
Yeah, like we need a bigger reason.
But I want better dinners is already a good reason.
Very good reason.
Aren't you curious now, Josh?
About what?
About if people here are buying things mostly for others or mostly for themselves.
Oh, that's a good question.
Because the first story was about support. This one was about self-care.
That's right. Two very different kinds of four.
Okay, let's see what Max finds next.
All right. Okay. This one looks serious. You've got a small box and an envelope. Let me think. That's for your girlfriend.
No, I'm afraid not.
Okay. For your mother then?
Nope. Want to try again?
All right, I'm changing strategy. It's for someone older. Someone important.
Important, yes. Older, maybe not.
Oh, interesting. Is it for a friend?
Not exactly.
Okay, now I'm nervous. Who is it for?
It's for someone I don't really know.
Uh-huh. Wait. What?
Yeah, it's for a stranger.
Wait. A stranger?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, now I need context. Why is it for a stranger?
So, last week I was on the train and I accidentally stepped on someone's bag, you know? I didn't notice at first. And when I did, I was already getting off.
Oh no.
Yeah, I felt terrible. And I didn't even say sorry properly.
Oh, so this is to apologize.
Exactly. I came here to find something small, not expensive, like just something thoughtful.
Ah, I get it. You're buying a gift for someone whose name you don't know?
Yes,
But how are you going to find them?
that's the complicated part.
Ah,
But I go on that train every morning, same time, same carriage, so I'm going to look for them.
and this is what exactly?
It's a little handmade keychain, London skyline, simple. I thought it would be nice.
That's unexpectedly wholesome, man.
I just didn't want to ignore it. It's for peace of mind, I guess, and to say sorry properly this time.
Wow, that might be the best answer so far.
I hope he shows up tomorrow. Cheers.
Okay. That one I did not expect. At all.
Wow, me neither, Josh. When he said it's for a stranger, I actually stopped breathing for a second.
Same here. Because at first I thought he was joking, you know?
Me too, but he wasn't, and that changed the tone immediately.
Yeah, because suddenly it wasn't about romance or cooking or celebrating something nice.
No, it was not. It was about fixing something small, and that felt very human.
I really liked when he said it's for peace of mind. Did you hear that?
Yes, I did. That was so cute. That line stayed with me.
Yeah, I understand you, Becky. Because he didn't buy it for attention, he didn't buy it for a big moment. And, he bought it to feel okay inside.
Exactly. For a stranger tells us who, to apologize tells us why, but for peace of mind tells us something deeper.
That's cool. It tells us the real reason.
Yeah, sometimes we don't do things for other people only. We also do them for ourselves. To sleep better, to stop thinking about it, to feel lighter.
That's honest, isn't it, Becky?
You know what, Josh? You know what surprised me most?
No, what?
He's going to look for the person again. He's going to try.
Yeah, that part made it real.
Buying something is one step, but going back to the same train to find someone you don't know? Wow, that's effort.
Uh-huh. That's commitment. And he didn't say I have to, he said he's going to. That's true. Which makes it sound like a decision, not an obligation.
Exactly. So today we heard 3 very different reasons to buy something.
Right. And in all 3, we heard 2 small words doing a lot of work. For and to.
4 tells us who benefits. 2 tells us the purpose.
Who it's for, why we're doing it.
And when you put them together, you understand the whole story.
Exactly.
Okay, now I have a question.
Go on.
If you were at that market right now, what would you buy something for?
That's complicated.
Why?
Because if I say it out loud, I'll actually have to do it.
Oh, good. Accountability. I like that.
All right. I would probably buy something from my grandmother, and I'd buy it to remind her that I'm thinking about her.
Oh, that's so sweet, Josh.
Okay, your turn.
I think I'd buy something small for myself.
Oh,
Yes, and I'd buy it to celebrate finishing this episode.
that's fair.
Because effort also deserves recognition.
It does. Pause.
Warmer closing tone. So now I'm curious about our listeners. If you, our listener, walked through a market today, what would you buy something for? And who would it be for?
Would it be for celebration, for apology, for love, for yourself?
And what would you buy it to do? To support someone, to fix something, to say thank you?
Think about it, and maybe go buy it.
We'll see you next time on What the Fun English.
See ya.